The Gin Rickey. It's refreshing, simple and easy. So it's the exact opposite of most people's lives. Now fictionally, the Rickeys of this world have an awful lot of bad luck, whether they're being shot dead walking back from the shops, or being an absolute simpleton being screeched at by a fiery redhead who sounds like two foxes going at it in the middle of the night. The ingredients: this is a simple one. You need London dry gin, fresh limes and soda water. Now, I'm not endorsing this drink as a diet drink, but if you're watching your waistline and you're a bit conscientious about it, this is an alright drink for it. Don't go smashing down about 50 of them. Traditionally, these would go into like highball glasses, but the only ones I have in my house have been robbed from the pub, so I'm using the Collins glass. Fill this up with ice, then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of a London dry gin. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of fresh lime juice. Top this off with some soda water and give it a light stir. History wise, it apparently arrived on the scene in the 1880s at the Shoemaker's Bar in Washington DC, and it was created by George Williamson and named after the lobbyist Colonel Joseph Carl Rickey. Then lastly garnished with 3 lime wheels. Now, if you're a champion athlete like me, you can actually get away with adding a little bit of simple syrup if you prefer it sweeter, but I think it's better as it is. Okay, the taste test. Let's face it, this isn't going to be the popular kid of the cocktail world. However, functionality, and if you want a guilt-free drink, this is good. And say if you're around a friend's house for like a party or a barbecue, it's easy to make. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most of all enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.